Hello, hello. Wow, so windy today, guys. So windy. So windy. Leaves dancing. Parang may bagyo, guys. Mukhang may bagyo. There's the street. There's another one street. Let's go to look at this, guys. New mower. They just clean it, guys. See, very nice. It's a nice front yard. Green, 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 green. Diba? Ang linis tignan, no? Ang linis tignan. Flower. Ayun ang flower. The purple. Ang cute, oh. Ang cute tong ano to? Pangalan na. I forgot. Ano yun? Timutang po. Wala na sa bibig ko. They're making, I think that's the backyard, guys. Swimming pool. Green, green, green grass of all. Green, green. Mahangin na panahon, guys. You can see that the tree fountain over there. Look at the flower. Bakit kaya mga kahoy dito, no? Nauna mga bulaklak. Ito nagmulalaklak ito eh. Naunang bulaklak niya. Ayun. Mabango po siya. Parang ano siya, lavender. Smell lavender, guys. Lavender. Yung smell na lavender. Ano to? Bulaklak? Bulaklak din? Ha? Iba? Kasi ibang ang kulay sa baba. Oh, you can see there, guys. Oh, may green. Then tapos sa taas. Ganon. So, ano yan? Na sunburn? Na sunburn? Oh, look, ito, oh, guys, oh, green. Ito sa baba. Then sa taas, oh, see? You can see that? It's a nice one. It's a nice one. Look at that. It's a nice one. Let's go. It's a nice one, huh? Napadaan tayo sa park, guys. Napadaan tayo sa park. Guys, kamutit na eh. Kamutit! Kamutit pariya. Bulong pariya. Bulong ti pariya na. Arbaka na arbaka haan. Aya agas ngay. Arbaka hamot kasyay. Gidatoy nga mula. Ni kwa ni balangag. Balangag. Balangag ni aba. Ano to naman? May bulaklak din, guys, oh. Ang liliit bulaklak, oh. Parang sa atin ay may punong nakakain ng bunga. Di ba, guys? Oh. Ang bango talaga yung hawak ko, guys, oh. Yay! I have a flower again. Yes, ang gandang kulay, guys. Oh. Ang gandang kulay. Huwag ka magkulog. Nag-ano na siya, guys. Ayan din, oh. Bulaklak din yan, oh. Oh, wow. Bulaklak. Bulaklak talaga ganyan ang kulay ng flower. Ay, flower. Flower ba yan? Flower ba yan o leaves? Ha? Wow. Look at that, guys, oh. Ano yan? Oh, mahangin kasi, guys. Oh, they're dancing. There's dancing. Mahangin kasi. I think there's a typhoon. Look at this, the weather. Oh, maulap po. It's a cloudy. Maano po ang around. Yeah. Opo, ganon. Let's go continue walking, guys. Continue walking. I have a flower. Look at this flower that I have right now. Let's go continue walking. Yan din, oh. Parang ano yan? Parang gamot. May bulaklak din. Gamot. Parang gamot siya. Oh. Let's go walking. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. This flower have a fit. This flower is growing. Diba? It's growing. Ayun din, a flower. Flower. Flowers everywhere. Ayun, may flower din yan. Maliliit, so tiny. So tiny. And look at that too. Oh boy. Green, green, green. Green, green, green. Green, 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 green. Very nice the green color, guys. Look. Very nice the green one. Diba? Tirarararan. May flower din dyan sa garden. Ayan. Flower the garden. Flower the garden. Poop, poop. By track. Ayun na yun. Nag-ano, guys. Nagtatanim ng halaman. May dala siyang ano. Different kind of flower. Ang bango to. Ang bango. Ang bango-bango, ang bango-bango ng bulaklak. Pag inaamoy, anong sarap. Ang bango-bango, ang bango-bango, amoy ng bulaklak. Ganon. Diba, guys? Ganon. Green, 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 green. Green, 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 green. Thank you for watching. Thank you, thank you. Bye-bye. Bye for now.
Thank you. Thank you.
Flower again. Bubuka yan in a few days, maybe tomorrow. There you go.